I've got some really good news. We're going to be having a Cowboy Campfire every Friday night this summer at the historic O'Keefe Ranch. There's going to be songs of the cowboy, cowboy poetry, and the history of the cowboy. What else? It is a Cowboy Campfire. We're sitting tonight around our Cowboy Campfire out on the range of the original BX Ranch. Back in the day, these hills behind me would have been dotted with campfires of the cowboys that were riding for the ranches of the day. Ranches like the Coldstream Ranch, those cowboys pushing cattle up into the high country. At the end of the day, would ride in, eat their grub around the fire, drink their coffee, and sing their cowboy songs. One of the songs we're going to be doing this summer, an old one but a favorite of mine, is called Yippee-Ki-Yi-Yo, and it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was out walking one morning for pleasure, spied a young cowboy riding along. His hat was pulled back, his spurs were jingling, and as he approached me was singing a song, Yippee-Ki-Yi-Yo, get along, little doggy, your misfortune, it ain't none of my own. Yippee-Ki-Yi-Yo, get along, little doggy, you know Wyoming will be your new home. Play that, Dix. Dixon Zealot from the band Open Range. He's going to be playing with us this summer at our Cowboy Campfire. And to my left, I got Ken Mather, a good friend, cowboy poet, published author, and historian. He's going to be telling us stories of the BC cowboy, reciting some great poetry. We want you to come and join us. We're going to be there every Friday night at the historic O'Keefe Ranch. See you then.